Hello guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to reset your Bluetooth settings on Android. Alright guys, to begin just navigate to your settings, and as you can see right under Wi-Fi I have my Bluetooth settings, so go there. And in here guys, you don't really necessarily have to turn it on, but let me just do that. So for example, if you wish to reset your settings, your phone has to actually support that kind of feature. So in my case, you actually can see that I don't have any button anywhere that, allows me to reset my Bluetooth settings globally. So if you're just like me, you can just go ahead pretty much and let's say I take this controller, I click on that little arrow to the right and then press on unpair, and this resets this device for your phone, and you will have to pair it completely from the scratch again. And yeah, if you're having some kind of issues with maybe some kind of device, you just click on it. Here's my earbuds, for example, right? You press on unpair, and there you go, it's gone. You have to pair it again. So that's pretty much how you do this. So that's it. If you enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.